What's up YouTube? This video is going to be about a best value external hard drive for storing your photos and videos. I will be reviewing Western Digital Mavic. By the end we will see is it suitable for content creators like you and me. I just decided to keep my data on my hard drives and do backup on external drive. And I'm using so far this Element external drive, but the issue is this is just 1 terabyte, and if you buy a bunch of these you will have a bunch of cables, etc. So I kind of wanted to migrate from this external drive to something bigger, and this is the reason why I purchased from Amazon this Mavic, also from Western Digital 6 terabyte external drive. I'm sticking with Western Digital because I have few discs in my PC, and also this external drive is also great, and yeah, I just wanted to try it and see what they are offering. So as I read so far and what it says here, this is 6 gigabyte external drive, which comes with 3 years warranty. It also do automatic backups, so you don't have to worry, but I think I will do it manually because I want some particular file to be backup. And also it is secured, so there is encryption that goes over data and provides some layer of security. And there is some application from Western Digital that allows you to connect your external drive to communicate with Google Drive and also with Dropbox. Western Digital Mavic hard drive comes in few variations from 3 terabytes to 80 terabytes, and also version from 6 terabytes cost $105. And see what's in there. Alright, Mavic. So this is the drive, protected with this. Alright, so it's going on this direction and it's protection foil on that. Okay. Oh, it's quite nice, and it's quite small, you know. So there is on the back are a USB 3 port and power supply, and this is the front panel, so quite little black box. What else inside? Power supply for UK and EU socket. So it's a little mechanism, so you can pull this and replace socket that you want. So it's now properly placed, so that's it. And USB port, USB 3.0, so that's also cool. And yeah, that's basically it. I have some paper how to install this socket, but who need this, and how to connect it with PC. But let's go and connect it with my PC. Okay, I see now. It's 5.45 terabytes. Mavic hard drive comes with installation. There is 2 installations, one for Mac and one for Windows. We are on Windows, so we'll click and install it. After we finish installation of Discovery, we have to open try icon and click on install of 3 other applications. All 3 applications are easy to use. To schedule backup, just follow these steps. If we click on storage, we can connect our drive with application like Google Drive, Dropbox and also OneDrive. Regarding speed, this hard drive can read up to 191 megabytes per second and write 176 megabytes per second for sequential data, and for random data it goes up to 1 megabytes per second. In reading and writing is a little bit better, like 14 megabytes per second. For this external hard drive connected over USB 3.0 port, it is a decent speed and enough for editing photos and videos. If you are running editing software on SSD like me, you should not have any problems here. One drawback that I see about this device is this glossy part is like a magnet for fingerprints, and this is not what I'm crazy about. Anyway, its main purpose of this device is to stand still on my desktop and just provide backups. So anyway, to conclude this video, if you're looking for best value external hard drive that will provide a lot of space and also automatic backup and will look amazing on your desk, Western Digital MyBooks is my highly recommendation. However, if you are looking for smaller and portable external hard drive, then I would suggest Western Digital Element. Let me know in the comment section which external hard drive do you prefer and why. Maybe someone find it useful. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button and see you in the next one. Bye bye.